Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today we're making the recipe of chivda. So chivda is an Indian snack which is a mix of nuts, seeds and a lot of flavorings, and it is added to flattened rice which is called poha. Now on a low carb or a keto diet you cannot have too much of poha. So what I've done is I've made a low carb version of this. I've cut down the poha to about 1/10 and I have put about 10 times as much of peanuts and coconut and all of the other things that you can add to the chivda, which is low carb. So let's go ahead and see how I make this. I also want to show you these lentils which are already roasted. So this is something I'm going to add. You can skip this because it's got a little bit of carbs too. So I've taken peanuts. I love the coconut because it has the fiber. It's delicious. It's got the good fat. This is dry coconut that I have thinly sliced. You can buy it in this form too. This is a great snack because it is loaded with low carb foods. It is delicious and it's got an Indian flavor. A lot of times it's all about cheese, it's some meat, sometimes it's celery sticks, and none of this is Indian. So as an Indian, you crave the Indian flavor when you're on keto. So this is going to fix that. Now I've taken cashews, walnuts. Walnuts and cashews are not very commonly added. If you eat raisins, you can add a little bit of raisins. It's delicious. It's like a muesli or a nut mix, but the Indian way. And also stay tuned till the end to see what it looks like and what are the variations, and you can add it to this. I'm going to put my flattened rice and my peanuts and my coconuts to roast. I'm using an air fryer. You can do it on a pan, heating it up on a low gas. I have done this for about 5 minutes. I keep shaking this and the temperature I'm using is 165 degrees centigrade because everything will burn otherwise. Now I have the flavorings here. This is curry leaves. I've taken one tiny bulb of garlic. I have not peeled it, just cleaned all of the cloves. I'm also taking some raw coriander seeds, about 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seed. Also adding a pinch of asafoetida. You can leave it out if you don't have it. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. This is also a green chili that I have grown at home and it's a thick fat one, so it's not very spicy. I've taken 1.5 of those. Half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, which you can leave out if you want to use erythritol. Also taken 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds. This is a thin poha or flattened rice. The reason to use the flattened rice is because that will soak up the flavored oil, and then when you're eating the nuts and the seeds, you will have some of the oil flavored poha with it or the flattened rice with it. So that's the thing that is going to give you a little bit more of the flavor. Puffed rice is okay because all you will eat is a handful, but if you want, you can easily skip this and just make for nut mix. Here I'm taking out all of the coconuts that have been well toasted already, and then I'm going to shake it a little bit and put it for another 5 minutes or so, always keeping an eye because everything is high in fat and can burn quickly. So now everything is toasted. I'm going to make the seasoned flavored oil here. So here I'm making the tempering. I have added my sesame oil and mustard seeds, the cumin seeds. Once the mustard seeds splatter, I've added a pinch of the asafoetida. So here is our garlic now. The chilies. Now you want to dry the garlic or roast the garlic really well. It shouldn't have any moisture in it, otherwise this mix is going to get spoiled. So the chili and the garlic needs to really cook in the oil. Then I'm going to add the curry leaves and the green chilies, and you can hear the spluttering, and most of our stuff is done. Now we're adding the salt, and here is the turmeric. The little bit of sugar that I'm adding, you can skip that or add erythritol if you like. Now I'm going to add all of the toasted elements back into the pan, mix everything together. So I gave this a taste and I feel like it needs a pinch of salt more. Then I've added my coconut and my flattened rice and the black pepper. I didn't want the pepper to burn. Now I've mixed everything together. So some of the variations that I could add is sesame seeds. You could add any nuts of your choice. So macadamia nuts, you can add pili nuts, you can add Brazil nuts, chopped up, sliced, almonds, everything works. Mix it up and your roast is ready. You want to cool it down completely, and then we're going to store it in a jar. So our mixture has cooled down completely. Take a look at how beautiful it looks and let me know what you think in the comments section. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, which is low carb and not strictly keto, let me know if this is a good direction I'm taking with my channel. So it is a healthy snack. I hope you guys like it and try it out. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.